Right guys, I'm stuck on my Audi. This cap is not opening. Now seriously, I don't want to break it, but I don't think I've got much of a choice right now. So I don't have much of a choice. The only thing I could think of I can do is, can you see that inside there? I'm gonna get that flap out. I'm trying to get this flap out. Okay. Right, I got that flap opened. Thankfully I didn't damage it, yeah? I got that opened. Now I gotta figure out see that? Can you see that? So this one here, so this is what's stuck in it. So I need to turn that. So I need to get to the lock there. It's got to turn. Now if I can't turn it, I'm happy to snap that lock. Get some wire cutters or something. And I'm happy to snap that. At least I don't break this panel up here. Now guys, using my battered thingy, what is it? Stanley knife. Oh god man, I forgot the name. Wait for a second. Anyway, using my battered Stanley knife. See the locks? I just snapped them, pushing them, and then snapped them off. Now by snapping them off, there you go. I've got access to that now. Okay. This mother cheddar can be changed, but if I bust this, I would have been screwed. It would have cost me a lot more money. Okay. So that's one way of, and when I told you about my cord, I don't know if I told you guys, I've tried that. Pulled it and guess what? Look, I've broken it. So I'm just gonna get another one of those locks. I haven't caused any damage. This part is gonna get changed anyway. Yeah. Right, till I get to that, remember, I'm gonna get access to these four. And I'll pull out. Hopefully they'll pull out. And I'm just gonna change that. Should be fine. I'm gonna look into that now. Now, the other thing is now I can go on top of my car because it's dead empty. Right empty that was. So I'm cleaning it out as well now that that's sorted. Right guys, I've topped it up. Got some diesel in there now. 2 lights. I got 150 more miles. The thing is I didn't want to top it up too much just in case somebody nicks the diesel. No, anyway, I got 20 quid in there. Okay. And that's opened. Now how did I open that? I'm going to show you how I've done that. Get yourself one of these electric screwdrivers. See that's the opening there. You yank it inside there. There's a clip inside there if you look. And then this top part pulls out. Once it pulls out, right, I'm going to do that. So see that opening there? That's the opening there. You stick a screwdriver in there, pushes that in, and the flap then just opens out. Once it opened out, can you see this lock here? I snapped that lock now. Now, if it does go in there, look, it just opens and closes. It's a temporary thing because I got to change that now. The lock inside is going to be changed now. So I'm going to figure out how to open this out. Right, and we're going to change the actuator inside that. Now guys, I'm a gas engineer, I'm a heating engineer, I'm not a car mechanic. But this is just a tip for everyone else. It might come helpful and handy to you. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to put that this on, the cover on, so it can at least look sensible. Okay. Yeah, because it comes out, it opens and closes anyway, so it should be fine. So that's it. Right guys, I've got that. It's gonna go inside there, or like that. I don't know how. It's gonna go like that, or like that. But anyway, nectar points card come handy, yeah? Use that. I hope I'm doing right. Bitches.
Did you got a filter on?
Okay, just stop recording for a second. Right guys, taking the petrol cap off. Take that off. And the AdBlue out as well. So once that comes out, then that cover should come off easily, yeah? Which he has now, yeah? It's come out. Brilliant, isn't it? Right, now I need to get the clip off. Okay, that's out.
Oh, okay, camera.
And this clip then goes into, hopefully in there.
Okay.
Okay. Let's find out. Where's my keys? Keep on recording.
She looked.
See, now it's not popping out. But when I open the key, watch this.
Do it again,
Okay, when it's pressed in, now it's locked in. It's not working now, yeah?
Damn.
Okay. Right, that's how you do that. Now that that's in, let's put this to the side and get my and get a torque screw. Right. Come on this side. So we're gonna put this. Right, we're gonna do that.
जल्दी कर.
There's 3 होनी है.
Oh, I know those kids.
Yeah,
Dad, that's not showing much.
it's fine, isn't it? Right, okay, that's out now, yeah. This was seized in. So that's going over there. The new one's coming here. Oops.
Shall I go over here?
That goes there. And we're just gonna screw that. Go. Right, that's in, guys. So I got the torque screws in. I'm gonna put it all back in.
In your business.
Right. I gotta put this
Mind your business.
cable through as well. The plastic cable.
Mind your business.
So guys, to get that cable through, right, to get this plastic thing through, I put a cable through there. It's come over here. It's come over there. It's come through. So I'm gonna tie it on this side, and I'll put it through the other side. So I'm just gonna tie it through here. Right, it's all clipped in now. Yeah, pushed it in. Simple as that. Just pushed in. The petrol can goes in now. Yeah. And that's it. Goes in. basically moment of truth now, yeah? Moment of truth now, yeah? That's it. It's done. Not opening no more. That's it. Done. And that's how it's done. And that's how you change the lock on the petrol cap. I hope you enjoyed the film, guys. I'm not a car mechanic, I'm a gas engineer. So it's not something that I do especially. Maybe if you help someone out, that'd be great. Thank you for watching. Let's go.